Pair work. Ask and answer the questions. 1. Who are the reporters?
Tamal and Nasrin are the reporters.
2. Which magazine are they reporting for?
They are reporting for the English Club magazine.
3. Who are answering the reporters' questions?
Shima and Biju are answering the reporters' questions.
4. What does Shima do in her leisure time?
In her leisure time, she walks in the park and sings. Sometimes she talks to her cousin and her friends on the internet.
5. What does Biju do in his leisure time?
In Biju's leisure time, he swims, paints, and reads magazines about sports.
6. What kind of magazines does Biju like? Why?
Biju likes sports magazine because he likes football and cricket.
7. What is another way to say leisure time?
Another way to say leisure time is free time.
Complete the sentences. Example: my sister reads in her free time. It makes her happy. Click. Pair work. Say what you do in your free time and why do you do it. Example: I sing in my free time. It makes me happy. Put the following words in each line in order to make a meaningful sentences. Click on the blanks.
I spend my leisure time by fishing in the river. In my free time, I love to go for walks. I spend my leisure time by watching TV. I spend my leisure time by making paper dolls. I spend my leisure time by playing football.